in the buzz, a newfound beat steps to the sound that's everywhere. Flipping scripts on shadow corners, gliding through the twilight's maze, echoing tracks from unseen performers. Found a world that music sways. Next chapter, a pulse he follows, footprints in the urban dust. Lucid beats the city swallows, and every note he finds is trust. Outside the club, life rearranged in a new light. Found his groove, left the night fuzzed, heads returning. Feel the insight, it's a rhythm in his motion. Urban poet smooth with his phrasing, taking time, sets the notion. Can't help but nod to the beat he's raising. Yeah, okay, the vibe's so chill, beat so fulfilling. Trust in the music, ride the wave he's building. In the loop, he finds his space, turning corners, sets the pace, ride the sound. His only chase, his mind adrift in the echo base. Underneath the city's glow, moving to the beat so innate. Melodies warmth in the evening's cool. Life's remix can't hesitate. It's that lo-fi rhythm, got him cruising. Eyes closed in the groove, he's not losing. Crooked streets, lay down the beat. In his stride, you hear a tune. In his side, the hum of city breathing. Moonlit chords and stars commune. Flickers of a melody weaving. Sink to the pulse beneath the moon. Gentle rhymes, no need for speaking. Life's a track that plays in tune. On the rooftop, the roof, his thoughts align, the skyline in sight.